Hi loves, today I'll show you how to make ofako, that is Banga stew. And if you want to see how this is made, just stay tuned. So this is what the palm fruits look like, and I have a video on how to extract its juice. So for this, I used goat meat, and I just seasoned with salt, seasoning, Cameroon pepper, and I added water because the meat hadn't thawed properly. It was still a bit frozen, so I needed it to cook quickly. And then I prepped my ingredients. I used scent leaves, onions. Every ingredient used will be in the description box, and these things on the plate. The black one is called Okpei, the other one I do not know its name. And this is Bonga fish, so this is totally optional, but it's very tasty. That aside, and I just put up all the dry ingredients on this plate. I have this famous Banga spice. That's what I use. You can also use Onga Banga spice. That's another spice that is very good for Banga stew. So I have crayfish here, salt, seasoning, and all of that. And in a bowl, I put water and washed the Bonga fish. So this is the palm nut juice. This is what it looks like. But in case you're not doing this from scratch and you get the canned one, you just need to dissolve it in enough water and then put on fire. So I took out these foamy things. They are not good for your health. This is the bonga fish. Oh, look at what I got from that bonga fish and look at the skin and the bones. I was supposed to blend this, but there was no light and I just washed that, deboned it, and that was it. This dark foamy thing taken out. You can tell it's actually not good. So this is the goat's meat. It's almost burnt, and yeah, you don't really need a lot of water when you're cooking whatever protein you're using because you won't necessarily need the water. So after I put in the goat's meat, I just put in every other ingredient, and this is the time to cover the pot. And look at that, I let it cook for about 20 minutes, and that was when it thickened a bit. As it was as thick as I would like it, I put in the scent leaves, and this is what it looks like. This is very straightforward. You just need to boil the palm nut juice, take out that foamy stuff, put in your ingredients, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.